Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my wash day routine. If you guys want to see how I go about washing my hair, please keep watching. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post, and let's get started. So before I wash my hair, I like to just finger detangle. So I like to divide my hair into sections. We'll do 4 sections. So first I'll divide my hair into half. It's really tangled and dry right now, so this may take a minute. Now I'm just going to start finger detangling. I'm just gonna pull apart my hair like this, and I like to stretch it. Okay, so once I'm finished finger detangling, I literally just twist this into a big section. And we move to the next section.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality.
Okay, so my hair is divided into 4 sections, and we're ready to go wash. So yeah, let's go. Since my hair is low porosity, I turn the water on hot and thoroughly rinse my hair to ensure that every single strand is wet before we shampoo. I always take scrunchies to the bathroom with me so that it's easier when I'm ready to section. For today's shampoo, we're going to be using the anti-dandruff shampoo by Lacura. It's formulated for all hair types and it's 100% flake-free. So we're going to apply the shampoo in sections, focusing on the roots. I like to finger detangle each section and then twist it into a big section and move to the next section. Now I'm gonna go in with this scalp brush from the brand LQQKS to ensure that I remove all the buildup from my scalp. I slide it in between my fingers and I just rub in circular motions to ensure that all the buildup is gone. Now I'm going to wash the shampoo off and prepare for my second round of shampoo. second wash, we're going to be using the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. This is also anti-dandruff. As previously done, we're going to apply the shampoo in sections and focus it on the roots. Now I'm going to go in again with the scalp brush to give my scalp a little massage and remove all the buildup. On to the other sections. Now we're going to rinse all of the shampoo off and prepare for our hair mask. Today's hair mask is by Shea Moisture. It's the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine hair mask with silk protein and neem oil. Now I'm just going to go in with this wide tooth comb to ensure that the mask is distributed around my hair evenly. Once we're finished with the first section, we're going to twist it up together and move to the other section. Now I'm going to take a scrunchie and tie my hair together, and we're going to go in with a plastic bag. Also, a trick that I like to do is turn on the hot water and just run it over the plastic bag to help produce heat. Now I'm just going to let that sit for 10 minutes and I'll be back to rinse it out. Today's conditioner is olive oil by ours. It's a strength and nourish replenishing conditioner infused with orange oil. Applying the conditioner, I like to use a wide tooth comb to ensure that the conditioner is distributed throughout my hair evenly.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
We're going to use the water for the last time. I'm going to ensure that I rinse all the conditioner out of my hair so that I can add my leave-in conditioner. Today's leave-in conditioner is by Luta Body. It's a Nourish Me leave-in conditioner with milk honey. It locks in moisture, continuous intense hydration, and detangles and adds shine. Today's moisturizer is also by Luta Body. It is the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk with coconut and shea oil. I'm also going to go in with Cream of Nature's Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. For dehydrated hair, it's formulated with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. Once I'm finished applying my products, I thoroughly detangle my hair and divide them into sections and braid it and let it air dry. Okay guys, this is the end of my wash routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below with video suggestions so I know what you guys want to see next. Turn on the post notification bell so y'all know every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!